Welcome back to our tech review channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop. This device has been making waves for its affordability and impressive features, and we're here to see if it's as good as it sounds. The Acer Aspire 5 boasts a sleek design with an aluminum cover and a durable plastic housing. It's equipped with a range of ports on both sides, including Ethernet, HDMI, and USB ports, although it notably lacks an SD card slot. Its lightweight and slim profile make it easy to carry around, ideal for both students and professionals. Moving on to its display, the laptop offers a non-touch screen with great color and clarity, which should be more than sufficient for everyday use and entertainment. However, the speakers, located on the front underside, might leave some wanting in terms of volume, particularly for an immersive media experience. Out of the box, the Acer Aspire 5 comes with Windows SE mode, but it can easily be upgraded to Windows 10 Home for free, enhancing its functionality. Users have noted the benefit of upgrading the RAM and adding an additional SSD for better performance, especially for those needing more storage or running heavier applications. One of the critical aspects of any laptop is its battery life. The Acer Aspire 5 offers a decent battery life, although it varies based on usage. Its comfortable keyboard and backlit feature add to the overall user experience, making it a good choice for extended typing or work sessions. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is a versatile and affordable option for those looking for a reliable everyday laptop. It offers a good balance of performance, design, and upgradability, making it a solid choice for a wide range of users. If you're interested in checking out this laptop for yourself, be sure to click the link in our description to view it on Amazon. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews like this one.